Let's learn how to add transitions between clips in Premiere Pro. First, add your video clips to the timeline and make sure they're placed side by side. For easier control, drag the bottom edge of the timeline panel to expand it. To quickly add a transition, right-click on the cut between the two clips and select Apply Default Transition. This adds a cross dissolve for video and a constant power transition for audio. If you want to use a different transition, go to the Effects panel. If it's not visible, go to Window and enable Effects. In the panel, open the Video Transitions folder, choose the style you like, then drag and drop it between your clips. To customize it, click on the transition in the timeline and go to the Effect Controls panel. Here, you can change the duration, adjust the direction, for effects like wipe, and more. If the transition isn't centered properly, select it and choose Center at Cut in the alignment options. That's it. Let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like next.